Welcome, Cosmic Seekers. As we embark on this deep astrological journey, we're diving into one of the most significant planetary transits of 2025, Venus in Pisces, its exalted home. This is no ordinary movement. It's a celestial blessing that will influence love, wealth, creativity, and spiritual connections for every zodiac sign. Before we jump into the detailed predictions, let's first understand the essence of Venus, its role in astrology, and what happens when it reaches its exalted or debilitated state. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, luxury, wealth, art, pleasure, and harmony. It governs our relationships, values, desires, and creative expression. In a birth chart, Venus shows how we love, what brings us happiness, and what we seek in pleasure and companionship. Venus also rules Taurus and Libra, two signs that represent earthly stability and balanced relationships, making it a planet of both sensual indulgence and refined elegance. In love and relationships, Venus governs romance, attraction, passion, and commitment. In wealth and luxury, it represents material success, financial stability, and comforts. In creativity and art, it controls artistic talents, music, beauty, and aesthetic sense. In social and personal life, it shapes how we interact, our charm, and our sense of diplomacy. Now that we've understood what Venus represents, let's see how its position in a sign can either amplify or diminish its power. Just like a person thrives in the right environment and struggles in the wrong one, planets have their own strengths and weaknesses depending on the sign they're placed in. Venus finds its highest strength in Pisces, where it is exalted. This means Venus expresses its purest, most divine, and limitless form in this sign. Pisces, ruled by Jupiter and Neptune, is a mystical, imaginative, and deeply spiritual sign. When Venus is in Pisces, its energies manifest in the most romantic, selfless, and artistic way possible. Venus in exaltation gives unconditional love, heightened creativity, spiritual and emotional fulfillment, financial abundance, deep empathy and kindness, and magnetic attraction. People with Venus in Pisces are natural romantics, artistic souls, and deeply intuitive lovers. They see love as divine and boundless, making them selfless givers in relationships. But too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to illusion and escapism. Exalted Venus can also make people overly idealistic in love, prone to romantic fantasies, and sometimes too forgiving, even in toxic relationships. On the opposite end, Venus struggles the most in Virgo, where it is debilitated. Virgo is a practical, analytical, and perfectionist sign ruled by Mercury, which clashes with Venus's need for beauty and pleasure. Venus in debilitation faces lack of romantic imagination, struggles in wealth and luxury, harsh self-criticism, difficulty in expressing affection, and love becomes practical, not passionate. People with Venus in Virgo tend to overanalyze relationships, look for flaws rather than emotions, and struggle with letting go and enjoying romance. They may be great partners in terms of loyalty and service, but their perfectionism can sometimes drain the beauty of love. Venus is one of the most powerful planets when it comes to shaping our happiness, relationships, and luxuries. Whether exalted or debilitated, its influence plays a massive role in our personal and financial lives. Now that we understand what Venus represents and how it behaves in different signs, we're ready to explore its 2025 transit in Pisces and how it will affect each zodiac sign individually. For Sagittarius natives, Venus rules love, finances, beauty, and creativity. So, its position in your chart this year will have a major influence on your emotional well being, relationships, career, and financial matters. However, other planets will also play a significant role, providing you with opportunities, challenges, and moments of growth. Here's a detailed month by month guide to understanding the Venus cycle and how the other planetary positions will affect you. From Jan 28th to March 2nd, Venus will be in Pisces, its exalted sign, which means it is at its most powerful and can bring unusual prosperity, love, creativity, and healing energy into your life. For you, this transit occurs in your fourth house, which is of home, family, and emotional security. It will likely bring wonderful opportunities related to your home life, emotional connections, and creative expression. This is a great time to focus on home based businesses, real estate, and family investments. Your creative skills may be in demand, especially in areas related to art, design, fashion, or interior decor. Financial opportunities may emerge through home related projects or collaborations. Your romantic life will experience a glow up. Expect more emotional connection and romantic gestures. If you're already in a relationship, this period is perfect for deepening emotional intimacy. If single, love might unexpectedly blossom. Venus in the fourth house favors buying or renovating property. You might feel more at ease and emotionally secure in your family life. Spend quality time with family members, especially females, and work on resolving any lingering emotional issues. While Venus is exalted, Jupiter's retrograde may cause some delays and confusion in your health and work related matters. Avoid overextending yourself at work, especially in the early part of the year. Since Jupiter is in the sixth house, work related challenges may arise. If you're feeling under the weather or overwhelmed with work, Jupiter retrograde could exacerbate this. Be sure to balance your health and career. After Feb 5th, expect improvement. Saturn's position in your third house will bring a serious tone to communication. This is a period where siblings or close friends may not be as emotionally supportive as you hope. There could be distance or misunderstandings within family or communication networks. Communication about career matters can feel restricted, so be methodical with your communication to avoid misunderstandings. Mars retrograde in your seventh house of partnerships could bring some struggles or misunderstandings with a significant other. It is important to avoid arguments and be patient in your romantic life during this period. If you're starting a new business partnership or legal agreement, Mars retrograde could cause delays or misunderstandings, so double check all documents before proceeding. Focus on creative work related to your home or family and take advantage of opportunities in real estate. Strengthen existing relationships through emotional conversations or take time to enjoy simple pleasures with loved ones. Take care of your health, especially after Feb 5th when Jupiter moves direct. Do not ignore small health issues. Avoid rushing into new relationships or big financial decisions. Avoid overworking yourself, especially if you feel mentally drained. From March 2nd to April 13th, when Venus retrogrades in your fourth house, there will be a slowdown or review period in areas related to home, family, and emotional life. Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and wealth, going retrograde often brings confusion and delays in relationships, finances, and creative projects. Expect emotional roller coasters in your love life and also consider re-evaluating your values. You may face some emotional setbacks and past lovers might reappear. This can be a time of emotional healing but also emotional confusion. Be cautious when making home related decisions during this period. Property investments, purchases, or major family decisions should be postponed until Venus goes direct. Rahu in the fourth house may distort your perception of family and home. You could feel unsettled or uncertain about where you stand with your loved ones. Stay calm and avoid making impulsive decisions. Mood swings may be heightened, so it is important to take breaks and not make any rash emotional choices. Saturn's influence may make it difficult to express yourself clearly, especially with siblings, neighbors, or colleagues. It is important to be patient as misunderstandings might occur. Your communication and creative work during this time will take time to show results. Stick with it as Saturn rewards persistence. As Mars turns direct, relationship issues will become clearer. Conflicts with partners or legal matters might get resolved after February 24th. Mars direct allows for progress in business partnerships as well. You'll feel more energized to address relationship issues after Mars goes direct. Reconnect with your partner or loved ones and work on resolving any issues. Don't initiate big moves or investments related to property and wait until Venus turns direct. Reflect on your personal values and past relationships. This is a time for introspection and healing. Avoid any major financial deals and starting new relationships or getting into any major emotional commitments. From April 13th onwards, after the retrograde ends, Venus will start moving direct once again in Pisces, and you'll experience a renewed sense of clarity and emotional healing. Now is the time for positive shifts in love, finances, and creativity. If you've been waiting for answers, expect a flood of insight into your emotional and financial life. Expect smoother communication with your partner and more romantic stability. If you've been facing delays or confusion, now is when things finally resolve. Your creativity will now surge, so it is an excellent time to launch projects you've been sitting on during Venus's retrograde. As Jupiter goes direct, you'll feel more energetic and motivated to focus on health. Expect more stability in your job and career and an end to the work related stress that may have been present earlier in the year. Saturn's position now makes communication more direct and effective. Your ideas and creative projects will start to gain traction. Saturn rewards diligence, so put in the effort to see long term results. Mars in Cancer could bring delays in travel or higher education matters. Plan accordingly and do not force things. Go ahead and launch any artistic or creative work you've been putting off. Start new romantic chapters as your love life will be more stable and harmonious. Proceed with caution but confidence when making financial decisions or career moves. Here are some remedies for you. For Venus, wear white or pastel colors on Fridays to channel Venus's positive energy. Donate rice or white flowers to gain Venus's favor. Place rose quartz near your workspace or bedroom for harmony in relationships. To balance other planets like Jupiter, wear yellow and donate books or turmeric. For Mars, avoid aggression in communication and consider donating red lentils to balance the energy. For Saturn, wear dark blue or black and donate mustard oil to calm Saturn's heavy influence. For Ketu, offer silver coins to reduce career-related confusion. Venus's exalted period will be your time to capitalize on opportunities and build strong relationships. Venus retrograde is a period for reassessing and healing. Avoid any big emotional decisions during this time. After April 13th, Venus goes direct and brings clarity, financial opportunities, and emotional balance. Venus will shape your emotional, creative, and financial path in 2025. Use these planetary cycles to your advantage, and with some patience, this year will bring progress, love, and growth in all aspects of your life. The stars don't control your destiny, they guide it. Your actions define your path. That's all for today's deep dive into Venus Transit 2025 in Pisces. We've uncovered the mysteries of Venus's exalted and debilitated states and how they shape our love, wealth, and destiny. But this is just the beginning. Stay with us as we decode the impact of this powerful transit on each zodiac sign one by one. At Sitara Ko Safar, our mission is to guide you through the cosmic energies shaping your life. If you're facing any personal challenges related to love, career, health, or finances, you can book a personal consultation with astrologer N. Baksh. For appointments, contact via the WhatsApp number on your screen. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, share with friends and family who love astrology, and subscribe to Sitara Ko Safar and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on your astrological journey. The stars have much more to reveal, so stay connected. We will meet in the next video.